Say, here I am on my chasing table, public. This is for my public. Say, I'm Cameron. And I'm 4 months old. And I like to kick, stretch. Can you stretch? Stretch out, stretch, stretch, and kick. Say, I'm Cameron. Huh. Kicking. There we are. And stretching. And kicking. Say, I'm Cameron. And I'm 4 months old. And I like to kick, stretch, stretch, and kick. Huh? I'm Cameron. Hold, come here. See, and this is the other thing we do on the change the table. Hold the camera. Say, get mommy. Say, I'm Cameron. I'm going to get you. 1, 2. Oh, here's the belly. Where's the belly? See, this is what happens, public, when we blow on the belly. There it is. I'm going to get it. 1, 2, 3. Aren't you gonna laugh? Aren't you gonna laugh? No. 1, 2, 3. You're tired. Yeah, I just woke up and stretching. I like to kick, stretch, and kick. Kick, huh? I'm Cameron. And I grab my toes. There's your toes. There's your toes. Get the toes. Get the toes. Brr, brr, brr.